Wall art usually goes, well, on the walls, but what about putting it on the horizontal and creating an original side table with it? Grab a piece of framed artwork that is in good condition with a solid frame and backing. You can reinforce with thin wood if needed. Combine that with a base off another table or build one yourself using a basic design. Center your artwork on top and secure with a brace or adhesive so it stays put. Cut a piece of glass to sit flush on the inside of your frame, and you have just created an artful side table that will look good in any room. A conversation piece for sure.
I don't know if I'm coming back again.